Hello friends, welcome in the new tutorial. Right now we have understand many things, but it is better to revise every time, otherwise you will forget everything. So in this tutorial I have just taken as a quick briefing what we done in our last lectures. So till now what we understand that how we can develop this table and apply these borders. What is the method to calculate the days left and this days left part 2. How we are fetching email IDs from this assigned responsibility from this target name and email ID column. How we are applying this DW and the C drop down list, and by using this how we are going to apply this rule to find out that how many days are left, right, like this, or whether the task is completed, and we can develop this status column. At the end what we have done, that whether the task is completed on time or not, so you can just calculate this yes and no. So again we have used this nested if over here, we have used the nested if over here. Under this K column we have applied this conditional formatting rule. Under this column we have applied data validation to develop this list drop down list, and at the end what we have used, we have applied this data filtration method to find out that how many to analyze this data every time. So hope you, in between we have also taken additional lectures to understand this VLOOKUP, index match command and everything. So hope you understand this all the things. I am sharing this Excel with you as a resources. Just find out, practice it. If you have any query, just download it from there. You can select each and every cell and you can find out that what are the equation we have used over here, so you can get from it. So just download this Excel sheet, and if you have any sort of query, ask me. Why I'm asking you many times, because if you are not understanding this foundation, you will never understand this expert logic. So that's why in this lecture series till now we have completed this full sheet. Now in further lecture what we are going to understand this proper analytics data, and we are going to develop our dashboard, and at the end of this lecture series we are going to develop our form and VBA to shoot the mails from Excel. So be with the course, understand the basics, practice as much as you can, and download this Excel sheet for your reference. So see you soon in my next tutorial. Bye.